vibe here. Can you feel it tonight?
Panasya. I love the energy.
Yes, we love the energy. And it's all because of you guys. So thank you so much. Exactly 2 months ago, you guys released the second EP, Green Green. Congratulations. Who loves Green Green, guys? We play it on repeat. Can you share a bit more about the album with us?
I feel like just like our debut, we were involved in this album. What story do we want to tell? And what kind of songs do we want to do? So that kind of got us going into stay focused on
Itu ternyata rahasianya kenapa kita suka banget sama musik-musik ekonis. Karena seperti juga debut mereka ya, debut mereka itu, mereka terlibat
put your hands next to your ears and go from the back. So, interchanging. So it goes like here, come back, 2 times, here, 2 times. Come back 2 times, here 2 times.
Can we do it all together?
Of course,
Teman-teman semuanya ikutin dance-nya. You know what? James is so quiet today.
Jujur jangan.
Halo Dedek Halo.
Halo, aku Diego Egono.
Next one is sepakat. Sepakat. Okay. Your performance was awesome.
Sepakat.
Okay. All of you try sepakat, okay? Chorus. Core energy today is incredible, right? Incredible.
Sepakat.
Sepakat. Nice. You guys are so good. Boleh kita berikan tepuk tangan dong buat mereka? Yes. Okay.
How many chances?
Okay, we already have the backpack. Boleh kita kasih semangat dulu untuk James? Okay. James, you have 5 attempts to do this. Okay? Let's give it up for James! Let's go! Let's go! Get ready and play the music! Hey! No, it's okay. Good China! Good China! Good China! Okay, come on man, you can do it. Okay, 1, 2, and go! Yeah! Oh my God, it was so close! It's okay. Let's try it again. Probably the yellow one, okay. James, just remember, this is easier than ice hockey, okay? You can do this.
I'm more nervous.
Okay, boleh kita kasih semangat buat James. Now, let's do the turn attack. And yeah! Okay, do you think you guys can do it?
We'll see.
I will mention your name and then you go, right? So you do it like, okay. Sip. Let's try. You only have 2 chances. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Song Yeon will be the first one.
Okay.
Okay? And go! Song Yeon.
Martin, James, Martin, James. Chorus.
Okay, Song Yeon.
June.
Oh my God! You can do it. Dari kau masih bisa, ya? Okay. So we will play Find the Camera. Very easy. Find the camera.
Okay.
So there will be an emoticon. You have to find the camera first, and then do the pose. Yeah, like that. Okay? Like this. Mungkin aku boleh coba ya. Find the camera. Huh. Okay. Huh. I'm not good at it. Oh, sorry. Can you guys do it?
We'll try.
You try.
Let's
But you
go.
have to do the pose together, and you have to find the camera together.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Let's
Let's
go.
start. Find the camera. Teman-teman boleh berikan tepuk tangan buat Juhur dan Kyle. Okay. You have to find at least 5 cameras. 5 times, okay?
Okay.
And you have to do the pose as the emoji.
Okay.
Ready?
Got it.
Okay, the first emoji is bye-bye and sad face. Ready? And find the camera and go! 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 What do you think, guys? Good? Okay. Good, that's good. Okay, now, gimana guys, berhasil nggak? Yes, it's okay. Okay. For James. Mereka semua berhasil menyelesaikan ya, James. Ini lagi. Okay, now then you can see some of it. Okay. Let me show you. James, you can do this. Yes. Guys, look at James. That's how you do it. Yes. So then, which one is you? Okay. Well done, Martin also. Good work. Yes. Whoa. Very cool. Okay. And the next one. Okay. Wow. Song Yeon Martin. This is yours. Ooh, look at that. That's an Indonesian scarf. Batik, yes. You can style it however you want. You can wear it however you want. Whoa, very cool. Yes. You look so good. Come on, sir. And this is your prize. You summon it. This is a traditional mug from Indonesia. Finish all the challenge with flying colors. Congratulations. Boleh kita berikan tepuk tangan yang paling meriah buat colors. Well, actually, if you fail, there's a penalty for you.
Okay.
Teman-teman mau lihat penaltinya nggak? Do you want to see them do the penalty? It's easy because you already did it. Kasih paham, bos. Oh no, you need a video, right? Okay. you had fun tonight.
I miss you guys so much.
Thank you.
So damn much.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama, Jeff!
Matter of fact, the third floor right there. I'll see you guys soon. I won't forget this day. Thank you guys. Love you. And the second floor too. I'll see you. And the first floor, thank you guys too. Love you guys so much.